A big thank you to Catkin for brightening up my day.
Good morning, everybody. Mom Terry here, along with our fabulous little co-star, Miss Lucy, and we have an interesting, exciting adventure for us today. What is this adventure? Let me put her down. From one of our viewers, Catkin. She sent me this wonderful package, and I can't wait to see what's in it. And if you want to send me a card or a letter, you know it cheers me up a lot. Go ahead. The address is always below in the description area. Oh my God! Oh my gosh, I can't wait to tear this open and see what's in here. I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and I want to do everybody's mail call, you know, as honestly as possible. All right, I'm going to turn this off now because I have scissors and they're dangerous. All right, so Catkin, aka Kate, wrote me a very personal letter about her life in, I'm going to say Vermont, because Vermont's sort of a big state, but, you know, she did offer me a spot to mooch talk, and if I make it to Vermont, I would love to meet up with you, Kate, but I think this is hysterical. Now, I don't follow politics, really. I know this was going around, so please don't hate me, but I think it's just cute. She sent me a Bernie sticker with his little gloves on, and I think that's just adorable. But the thing that she really wanted to send me was this. And I've never seen anything like this before. Okay, this is called Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Liquidless Eco Sheets. And you know what? Liquidless is going to take up a lot less weight. And I just bought a brand new laundry bag at the ESO, so it'll go along wonderful. But really a new concept to me. You just drop one sheet into the washing machine and you wash away. All right, thank you so much, Kate, for sharing that bit of information with me. It's so nice to meet you, and I won't share your personal information on my YouTube, but thank you, and I'm so glad you are along for the journey. I'm so glad that I entertain you and your wonderful son, and I hope to see you both in Vermont sometime down the road. Bye from Ma Terry. Wait. Sorry, my fabulous co-star ran away on me. All right, see you guys down the road.